I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why I laughed in this intro. Let's just say, yeah, I got it. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys real quick. So I'm sitting in my car again, right? I can't zoom in too close, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's my fishing rod and my bucket of minnow right there. All I did was cast a minnow out there with a 1 ounce, 1.5 ounce sinker to the bottom, and now my minnow is just sitting there. You guys can see the ripples happening on the river right now. It's windy, bro. Like it's gusty and it's freezing. Like your hands cannot survive being out there more than 30 minutes. That is what I got going on right now, and there's not much I can do. I'm waiting for my brother Chow to get here. John might show up. Outdoor Habits, he might show up, but again, we're just last minute trip. It's the only day off. We're like, you know what? Let's all go meet up and just pump flies for walleyes. But as of right now, this is my current situation. So yeah, I'm just waiting for something to pull, and then we'll run out there like an idiot and catch a fish, maybe. So stay tuned. Oh, the sun feels good. My goodness. Oh, I got one. Oh, another one. Crushed it, dude. All right. Come on, white bass. Please be a white bass. Oh, a bunch of these little guys. Oh, man. I think we found a little fish. Dude, he inhaled it again. But at least we know they're feeding, right?
Yep. You know they're in there.
Second fish of the day on the chartreuse. Going back. Oh, there we go. Much better. Man, they're inhaling it. My goodness. See ya. There we go. Haha, he's on. All day, bro. Ah, they're in there. They're in there. Oh! It's a white bass! Yeah, dude. Hell yeah, bro. First white bass of the season. Look at that. On the fly. Oh, jeez. So I'm going to make this follow cast right here. Cast it to the middle, past the middle-ish, right? Let it fall. You can feel it fall with the braid. You can feel it when you touch the bottom. It's not that deep here, too. So all you have to do, just twitch, and you just wait. That mono is going to do the job. Let that fly float, let the current push it up and down. We'll get these fish to fire up on it. Dang, your spot's nice to cast, dude. Got him? Oh, he's on, dude. Yeah, told you. Hold on, slow down. I want to come record you for John. Oh, Chow switched over to the fly. Oh, that's a nice one, Chow. Better than what I was catching. Damn, look, John, you missing, bro. Oh, that's a nice one. This is a sauger, dude. Oh, Chow, he inhaled it. He inhaled that chartreuse fly. Yeah, look at that, John. You missed out. Look at this. Yeah, beautiful fish, bro. Not a keeper, but still a ton of fun. Damn, look at that. That fly gone.
There you go.
There you go. Catch and release. And I got one. Yeah, we got a white bass again. Let's go. I know. Chow's on, guys. So I got a dandy one. You got a dandy. Probably a carp?
I don't know, maybe a carp.
That's a nice one, dude. Let's see, they do have 30s in here.
Oh no, do not go over there. Do not.
Yep, that's what I was scared of. Oh, you snagged a
I
nice one.
snagged it, bro. What the hell?
Dang, that's a good one too.
I snagged it.
No wonder it's flying back weird.
No wonder it's weird.
This guy over here is snagging.
Snagging fish.
That's what happened with the brown trout I had last time.
Snagging.
Yeah. Yeah, you got to cast past straight in the middle, right? You gotta just all right. That's where the hole is. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. It's like as they get later, they might start showing up. Yeah, chow's on, dude. With the DYang fly. Whoa, whoa. Like sheephead. I was like, Mom wants a sheephead, she said. Okay. Okay, my dude's on, dude. That's a nice one. It's tugger. Oh, 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 let's see. Man, dude's pulling. Oh. Oh. Let's see what y'all got. Oh, that's a big one, bro. Hold on, I got you. I got you. It's a slab. That's a keeper, dude. That's a keeper.
Yeah.
That's a keeper, dude. Hands down, it's a keeper.
Yeah.
Where's that fly, Chow? Show me that
Hold on.
fly.
Oh, it's down the
Oh my gosh, dude. I like ran in the water.
Down the stroke.
Yeah.
There you go.
Sheesh.
Right in there.
That's a tank. There you
I
go.
was like, boom.
Bumped it real quick. What'd I tell you, boy? On that purple, right?
Yep, purple.
Sheesh. That is right there. Oh, that's keeper for sure, bro.
Oh yeah.
That's a
Oh,
eight,
yeah,
almost
this is
19,
19.
bro.
Almost 19.
Yep, hair shot for 19. I got a bucket.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Got a bucket. Do you have a stringer?
Yeah, I got string.
Okay, we'll just throw them in here for now. That's why I brought this bucket. Let's put it over here. Jeez.
There we go.
Let's go, dude.
There we
Hell
go.
yeah, I told you. I guess we won't starve after all.
Fish fry tonight.
Yeah. Alright, so we got a little situation here. There's no fish in the bucket. Chow went to go put the fish on the stringer, and the fish kind of like went crazy. The stringer slipped out of his hands, and the fish is back swimming with the red stringer. So, yep, I guess we are gonna starve. Trying to get my life together over here. Chow's cracking them. Yep, that hole, that sweet spot. Damn, boy. That spot's fire, bro. I've been dry for an hour now. Big one, decent. Oh, little guy. They're still munching. Chow. Oh, nice one, dude. I don't know. Hold on. I didn't feel him hit it. Please be the stringer. Yeah, it feels decent. Yeah, decent fish, but I don't think it's a keeper though. Yeah. Nah, I don't think so. Decent, huh? Surf it. Just a fun size. Way out there. Oh man, this is so much fun, dude. On that purple. I had to step in the water for this guy. Yep. Well, at least we know they're back. Maybe she made it back into her hole. Little guy. Been a minute, but we got it. Haha. They're back on my side. It feels nice too, but just a good size. Just a fun size. And now he's dogging. Oh, my hand is sore, dude. Yep, fun size. Just sauger, that's why it's finding so hard. Jeez, Daddy, you're cute. 정것다. Yeah, they're so pretty. Look at that. Keep you as a friend.
Yeah. Oh, it's a good size, dude.
It's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good size.
Oh, Chaozong. Oh, it's a fun size.
It's a fun size.
They feel big until it popped off.
Come on.
It popped off. Just a fun
Yeah,
size.
it's a fun size.
Still, man, it's a good sign, dude. Man, it might just be here. Oh, that's a better one, dude. I think. I don't know yet. Hold on. I want to jinx it. It's definitely better, but I didn't even feel him bite it. It's probably just a sauger. It's fighting really hard. You know, saugers, they just fight so hard. I don't know. He's running like, I don't know, bro. Oh snap. Oh, he's just, it's just a sauger. He's just fighting really hard. Yeah, it's a good sauger. Finally, right? Oh yeah. Man, it just looks so freaking cool. You hyped me up, boy. Man, it got me all thinking it was a big one. Just fall super hard. So pretty. All right. See ya, buddy. You gotta throw them out so they don't dive into the rocks. It's alright. Dude yanked it out of my hand, dude. It's not big, but holy cow. He yanked it right out of my hand. Man, my hands are tired. Whoa, whoa, jeez, okay. It's a sauger again. The hell is fighting, I think? Pulling hard as heck. Yeah, it's a sauger. These dudes fight hard, man. Jeez. Yes, sir. It's another nice sauger for you. Look at that. Look how they're flared out. So freaking cool. I see ya, buddy. Oh, jeez. Got caught on my coat. Yep.
That's how I felt the other one.
Ooh, what the
What?
bro, it's a frog leg. Look. You see the little toes right here? Yeah, it's bones, bro. Look, it's a frog leg.
Nasty.
Don't scare the crap out of me, dude. Oh, chow's on. It's a little guy. Fun size.
Fun size right here.
Non-stop. Fish number 30.
Action. Heck yeah, dude, probably. Oh, mamanka.
You ain't hurt, huh?
Oh, heck yeah.
I know. I give up. Yep. I can't fish anymore. Alright guys, so we are on the road now. I totally forgot to shoot a outro back there. It was just so cold, we were kind of like, hurry up, pack up, and get the heck out of there because that wind was just kicking our freaking butt, man. But other than that, we had a good time. My brother and I, we just crushed them. We were able to fish, we were able to dead stick and pause the flies, as you guys see in the video. And we just had an absolute blast, guys. Like, the fish could not stay off of it. It was almost like every cast, every drift. So I gotta explain to you guys what happened to our fish, okay? I told my brother, hey, why don't you put the fish back on the stringer so it like survive, right? Like it can last longer as we fish. And he's like, okay, cool. Like that was the initial idea anyways. We were gonna put the fish on the stringer and then keep it alive. But he put the fish on the stringer and he threw the fish into the water. He told me to give him like the bucket because the bucket had water in it. He was gonna use the bucket as an anchor to, you know, hold the fish. Let's just say the fish outpowered him and pulled the string out of his like cold hands, you know, because it was cold. The fish took off into the depths. So there's a walleye out there with the red stringer cruising around. it is what it is, man. It happens all the time, and there's nothing we can do. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. I gotta focus on driving because I'm trying not to crash here. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.